Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify holdings on Trezor Suite beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Trezor Suite application. Connect your Trezor device to your computer. Unlock your device by entering your PIN. Wait for the Trezor Suite to recognize your device. In the Trezor Suite dashboard, locate the Accounts tab. Click on the Accounts tab to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Select the account you wish to verify. Look for the balance displayed under the selected account. To check transaction history, click on the Transactions tab. Review recent transactions to ensure they align with your expectations. For additional security, navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings, confirm that your firmware is up to date. This ensures optimal operation and security for your device. If you wish to see your holdings' market value, enable the Portfolio view. You can view real-time price information for each asset. Be sure to note any discrepancies in your holdings. If you notice any issues, consider reaching out to Trezor support. Regularly verifying your holdings helps maintain security and trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.